My name is Chad Rio. I'm Director of Security at Charlotte Hungerford Hospital. Charlotte Hungerford Hospital is a 109-bed community hospital located in Torrington, Connecticut, with approximately 1,000 employees. Our mission when it comes to security at Charlotte Hungerford Hospital is the safety of our patients, visitors, and employees. When I started in the security department, there was a very small technological footprint. Avigilon was chosen to help secure this hospital for multiple reasons. It's very user-friendly, it's a high-quality product, cost-effective, and has been a high return on investment. We currently have over 100 Avigilon cameras installed throughout our hospital with a roadmap for continued growth. We deployed numerous IP cameras, including multi-sensor dome cameras and H4A cameras with built-in analytics that allow us to use appearance search technology. And most recently, we've installed the Avigilon presence detector, and all of this technology is tied in through the ACC software. The benefits of using the multi-sensor dome cameras is that we can get up to 4 views with one multi-sensor camera at any location by only having one license and one network drop. We've recently deployed appearance search technology to allow us to track people throughout different locations of the hospital, and it also allows us to use a vehicle search to track vehicles throughout campus within the parking lots. One of the benefits of installing the Avigilon presence detector is that we can install it in locations that cameras cannot be installed, and we still receive the alerts that we need while maintaining the privacy of staff and employees. As a small community hospital, resources can sometimes be limited, and Avigilon has proven that they have surpassed our initial expectation. Avigilon has made my job easier because it's helped streamline my day. I don't have to spend as much time sifting through video footage, and I can be proactive in other aspects of my duty in securing the hospital. As we continue to identify and prioritize areas of need throughout the hospital, we will continue to work with Avigilon and Security 101 to optimize security for all scenarios.